Hey everyone! Are you searching for a game-changing indicator to enhance your trading strategy and identify trend reversals with precision? Look no further than the Market Structure Pro for TradingView. The indicator stands out as a favorite among traders. Discover the power of this remarkable algorithm designed to pinpoint significant breaks in market structure, setting the stage for potential price surges or nosedives. What this means is, in this comprehensive video guide, we'll delve into what makes the Market Pro so exceptional. But before we delve into the details, I want to ask you for a quick favor. Please take a moment to hit the like button on this video and also subscribe to our channel. Then turn on the notifications bell to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you. Firstly, let's start off with an example and look at exactly how the indicator works. On the chart currently, we have the euro against the US dollar in the 15-minute time frame. And the concept of the indicator is built around market structure and the break of order blocks. In trading, an order block is a technical analyst concept that is used to identify potential levels of support and resistance like these marked on the price chart. Order blocks are often associated with the Wyckoff method, which is a trading approach that focuses on market manipulation and the activities of large institutional players. An order block is a specific price area or zone on a chart where significant buying or selling activity took place in the past. These zones are considered important because they can act as a support or resistance level in the future, influencing price movements. So in a downtrend scenario, the Market Structure Pro indicator identifies the most recent bullish order block preceding the most recent lower low. It then draws a rectangular around the order block, and as fresh bars develop, the rectangular extends further. When the price ultimately breaches the rectangular, the existing market structure is deemed compromise. This means once you get a sell signal marked with the S after the break in structure, we can take a closer look at price action for our confirmation. And from price action, we can observe a double top rejection away from a strong resistance zone. A double top pattern formation is often associated with bearish reversals, and all this means is once the candle has closed confirming the break of structure, we can enter our trade. And for the sell trade example, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit levels provided by the indicator. This means once a market structure break has been identified by the Market Structure Pro indicator, it also provides you with guidance on where to place your stop loss and take profit level. In essence, it delivers all of the essential elements of a trade on a platter: the high probability trade entry, stop loss placement, and also take profit level. The same principles seamlessly apply to uptrend and bullish markets. So for our next example, I have selected the British pound against the US dollar in the 30-minute time frame. And for us to get the most out of the indicator, it is important that we only trade in the direction of the overall trend. And to do this, we'll be adding another indicator, which is an exponential moving average or EMA to our chart. Then, after attaching the EMA indicator to your chart, head over to its settings, where we are going to change the length from 9 to 200, as we'll be focusing on long-term trends in the market. Then, under the next tab, we are going to change the color and thickness to make it stand out more. Now, what we'll be doing is looking for changes of market structure during the underlying trend. What this means is if price action is located above the EMA, we are only looking for buy trades. And when the price action is located below the EMA, we are only looking for sells. Now, in the background, the Market Structure Pro has already identified all of the relevant market structure and order blocks. Additionally, as the market plays out, the indicator adjusts these levels to give us these optimal entry points. Now, once we get the buy signal with the strong rejection away from the EMA, we can enter our buy trade. And for the buy trade, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit levels on the right-hand side of the screen, which are calculated by the indicator. These levels are automatically calculated using the ATR, or average true range indicator, which is a technical indicator that measures the movements in points during the set period, which makes our stop loss and take profit levels dynamic for changes in price. Next, let's explore another trade example. However, this time we'll be introducing another indicator alongside the Market Structure Pro and Exponential Moving Average. So for this example, I have selected the US dollar against the Japanese yen in the 15-minute time frame. And one of the key aspects of trading that is often overlooked by new traders is volume. Volume plays a critical role to have enough momentum for the trade to play out. And one of my favorite indicators to ensure I have sufficient volume is none other than our Volume Force Pro. Now, following the same rules as before, we are only interested in buy signals above the 200 EMA. And then from price action, we observe a strong rejection away from a support zone, with the Market Structure Pro giving us a buy signal. Lastly, we need to have a histogram on the Volume Force Pro above the zero line, and it also needs to be located above the average line. Once all of these criteria are in place, we can enter our buy trade. And for the buy trade example, I will use the levels provided by the indicator, which are shown on the right-hand side of the chart. Now, one of the key components of the Market Structure Pro, provides us with a straightforward way to visualize shifts in market structure and potential reversals. Additionally, one of the most remarkable aspects is that the concept of market structure breaks is universal. It applies across all markets and time frames. This universality is a testament to the power of the Market Structure Pro. Next, let's take another trade example. However, this time we'll be focusing on a stock trade. So for this trade, I have selected Google in the 15-minute time frame. And firstly, from price action, we observe an uptrend with candles closing above the 200 EMA. Then the Market Structure Pro has identified a bullish order block break that has been marked with the letter B. Additionally, from our Volume Force Pro, we can see a histogram above zero and also above the average line. Now, once the candle has closed, we can enter our buy trade. And for the buy trade, I'm going to use the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator and let the trade play out. By combining multiple indicators and confirming and cross-checking our analysis between these indicators, we can enter these trades with greater confidence. Next, let's explore the opposite side of the spectrum of a sell or short example, just to ensure that you have all of the knowledge necessary to go and backtest it for yourself. Backtesting holds immense importance and is yet often overlooked by new traders. And for this example, I have selected the euro against the British pound on the 5-minute time frame. And from the chart, we can observe a strong pullback against the overall bearish trend with candles closing below the 200 EMA. Then we observe a break of structure which has been marked with the letter S. Lastly, we need to take a closer look at volume. For a valid sell trade, the Volume Force Pro histogram needs to locate it below zero and below the average line. Once all of these criteria are in place, we can enter our sell trade. And for the sell trade, I'm going to follow the same steps as before and use the stop loss and take profit provided by the indicator. In conclusion, the Market Structure Pro is a cutting-edge indicator that empowers traders to navigate the complexities of the financial market with greater confidence and precision. By identifying significant breaks in structure, this indicator offers traders a competitive advantage whether you're trading currencies, stocks, commodities, or even cryptocurrencies. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-driven precision. The Market Structure Pro is your key to navigating the dynamic world of financial markets with confidence. So, if you haven't already, make sure to visit our website. I would recommend taking a closer look at our exclusive TV Champ membership. With our TV Champ membership, you can grab all our custom indicators for TradingView, plus all TradingView indicators that we'll release in the future. If you're eager to learn more about our next generation indicators, we've got you covered. Take a closer look at our YouTube channel where you'll find a vast amount of valuable information. So I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.